Tesla Model 2, Tesla Model Q, or even the tiny Model Y. No matter what name people are throwing around online, they all point to the same thing: Tesla's long-awaited affordable electric car that has been talked about for years and is finally gearing up to debut this quarter. And now, the leaks are coming in faster than ever. For the first time, we're getting a realistic, almost undeniable look at what could be Tesla's most important vehicle since the original. Model 3, the budget-friendly EV the world has been waiting for, is almost here. And the details coming out are giving us a much clearer picture of what it actually is, what it's not, and what we should expect when Tesla officially reveals it. Recently, an image appeared buried inside Tesla's own website's source code on image. Many believe is the real Tesla Model 2. That leak alone sent the entire EV community into meltdown mode. But new reports from Drive, Tesla, and Tesla Newswire are giving an even more surprising twist. According to them, the official name may not be Model 2. It may not be Model Q. It might not even be something brand new. Instead, the current rumor, which is backed by multiple sources close to the company, is that the car will be called Model Y Standard. In other words, instead of an entirely new model line, Tesla may be positioning this as the cheapest, most stripped-down version of the Model Y almost. It's like a reborn compact variant meant to take affordability to the next level. Now, whether this name sticks or not is a totally different story. Even many Tesla fans aren't thrilled about it. Model Y Standard doesn't sound like a groundbreaking new vehicle. It sounds like a budget trim of something we already have. And considering all the hype and anticipation behind this car, people expected a name that represented a new chapter for Tesla, not just another Model Y variation. But at the end of the day, Elon Musk hasn't confirmed anything yet. And knowing how unpredictable Tesla announcements can be, the final name might be totally different from what the rumors suggest. The launch event next month is when we'll finally know for sure. Until then, it's easier for everyone to stick with the familiar nickname, Model 2. Because whether Tesla calls it Model 2 or something completely unexpected, the world already knows what we mean when we talk about it. So let's move back to the leaked images and what they actually reveal. Even though the leak was low resolution and buried deep in Tesla's code, enough details are visible to draw some solid conclusions. Right away, the redesigned front end stands out. The continuous light bar across the front, which we've seen on the latest refreshed Model Y, is completely gone. Instead, Tesla has switched to single-piece headlights, much smaller, more simplified, and definitely designed with cost-cutting in mind. These aren't the sharp, aggressive headlights of the Model Y or Model 3. They're compact, almost minimalistic, and focus purely on efficiency and simplicity. Now, blurry images can only tell us so much, but the confirmation came when another video surfaced, this time shared by Tesla Newswire. In this video, the supposed Model 2 was spotted driving at night in Palo Alto, California, giving the clearest real-world look yet at those tiny single-piece headlights in action. And here's the interesting part. The headlights in the video match the leaked website image almost perfectly. Same shape, same position, same compact designer, identical. Seeing the headlights in motion makes the change even more obvious. They are definitely smaller than what we're used to from Tesla. That raises a very real question. Will illumination be weaker than the standard Model Y? It's possible. Smaller headlights generally mean less light output. But at the same time, Tesla is known for using software-driven adaptive lighting. So even with compact hardware, the actual nighttime visibility may still be excellent. The simplified design, however, clearly aligns with Tesla's mission to reduce manufacturing complexity and drive costs down dramatically. In a vehicle where every dollar saved matters, headlights are surprisingly expensive components. Tesla shaving down their size could be part of a much bigger cost reduction strategy. There's another important detail visible: a front bumper camera. This is something many people predicted, and now it appears to be confirmed. Adding front cameras makes sense because Tesla is pushing harder than ever toward full self-driving vision and removing radar and ultrasonic sensors. A front bumper camera gives the car a much broader visual range at ground level, helping with close-range detection, parking assistance, and low-speed autonomy. Tesla has been slowly moving toward this setup across its entire lineup. and it seems like the Model 2 will include this right from the start. That indicates Tesla sees FSD capability as a core part of its affordable, even not an optional luxury. From the angle and curvature of the bumper, it also appears the Model 2 will feature Tesla's newer, softer design language. Less sharp angles, more smooth outlines, and a smaller overall footprint. The hood seems shorter than the Model Ys. The windshield slope appears more aggressive, making the car look compact but aerodynamically efficient. The front fascia also appears to have fewer body lines, another cost-saving move. The fewer the stamped metal pieces and the fewer the complex curves, the cheaper and faster it is to produce. This aligns heavily with Tesla's stated strategy to drastically reduce production costs through vehicle simplification. But of course, the big question on everyone's mind, what about the price? For years, the world has expected the Model 2 to finally fulfill Elon Musk's promise of a truly affordable Tesla. Something in the $25,000 range. But based on the latest leaks, that may not be the case, at least not initially. If the vehicle launches as the Model Y standard, the price could end up being higher than what fans hoped for. Some industry analysts are predicting a starting price somewhere between $27,000 and $30,000 depending on the market. And with inflation, material shortages, and rising manufacturing costs worldwide, Tesla may simply not be able to hit the long-promised $25,000 price point right out of the gate. This doesn't mean Tesla has abandoned the affordable EV concept. Rather, they might be launching a higher-priced version first, then slowly driving the cost down as production scales and new battery manufacturing lines come online. This is something Tesla has repeatedly done with its other vehicles. The first Model 3 versions were more expensive, and it wasn't until years later that the cheaper trims arrived. The same pattern could apply here. But even if the price ends up being slightly higher than expected, the demand for this car will still be enormous. Tesla has never created anything remotely close to this price range before. The EV market for compact, affordable cars is wide open, especially in regions like Europe, India, China, and Southeast Asia. With its brand reputation, charging network, and tech advantages, Tesla could easily dominate this segment even if the first version is priced above the long-teased $25,000 mark. When we zoom out and look at the entire picture of the new front design, the simplified headlights, the bumper camera, and the cost-cutting design choices, it becomes clear that Tesla is laser-focused on making this car as affordable and easy to produce as possible. Everything from the streamlined exterior to the rumored decast megacasting production method points towards speed, efficiency, and mass-market scalability. If Tesla truly wants to sell millions of these per year, every component must be optimized. Even the aerodynamic shaping seems to support efficiency over aesthetics. The smaller headlights reduce turbulence. The rounded bumper minimizes air resistance. The reduced frontal surface area helps boost range. Since this will likely be the smallest Tesla ever made, the range will depend heavily on battery size and efficiency. Tesla might use LFP batteries for durability and cost reduction, and the compact body would help maximize range even with a smaller pack. There's also strong speculation that the interior will be even more minimal than current Tesla models. Expect a single center display, a simplified dash, fewer buttons, fewer motors for mechanical parts, and a cabin design centered around cost-effective manufacturing. Tesla may also use structural battery packs to reduce weight and increase stiffness. And since this car is aimed at global affordability, Tesla will likely roll out multiple battery chemistries depending on region LFP for budget markets. Height and CD cells for Europe and North America. All of this fits into Tesla's broader mission: accelerate the transition to sustainable energy by making EVs accessible to everyone. And for Tesla, accessible doesn't just mean cheap, it means easy to build, easy to scale, and ready for autonomy. The Model 2 will likely be the first Tesla intentionally designed around FSD from day one. Every angle, every camera, every sensor layout will be optimized for future self-driving capability. And as Tesla moves toward vision-only autonomy, the bumper camera becomes a necessity rather than an add-on. One more thing to consider. The leaked videos showing the car driving at night in Palo Alto reveal something Tesla didn't intend the public to see yet. This confirms prototypes are already being tested on real roads, which means the car is much further along than people assumed. And if Tesla is already testing late-stage prototypes, the timeline for official release being next month is very realistic. This upcoming launch event might be Tesla's most watched event since the Cybertruck reveal. Why? Because this car isn't just another high-tech gadget for wealthy buyers. This is the first Tesla designed to be a true ever.